Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the organizer's device ready and family sharing set up. Once those basics are in place, open settings and verify the organizer's personal hotspot is on. Next, add or confirm the family member account under family sharing, because devices only share automatically within that group. Once done, check the hotspot name and password so you can identify the network. Make sure location and Wi-Fi are enabled on both devices. This reduces connection, hiccups, and speeds the next steps. On your device, go to Wi-Fi and look for the organizer's hotspot name. You'll often see a family sharing label that simplifies authentication. If prompted, accept the family sharing connection rather than entering credentials to let devices pair securely. Once connected, set auto-join so future access is seamless. Also check cellular settings and ensure data use for personal hotspot is permitted. This prevents sudden blocks. If you share heavy files, monitor data so you don't exceed the organizer's plan. Finish by confirming internet access. Load a web page or run a quick speed test to ensure traffic routes through the organizer's connection. Once you're done, turn off the personal hotspot to conserve battery and data on the organizer's device. If something goes wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi and disable, then re-enable personal hotspot, because simple resets fix most handshakes. If that fails, remove and re-add the family member in family sharing. That refresh often restores the secure auto connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.